Welcome to Requirements Engineering for Testers. Testers review requirements for testability. Testers write test cases based on requirements. And in Agile, testers even write requirements and contribute to writing criteria for acceptance. However, I believe most testers have too little knowledge on requirements engineering. What level of quality, what level of detail is realistic? What does actually testability mean? How can testers improve, contribute to better requirements? We'll try to answer these questions in this tutorial and practice writing and reviewing requirements. The 5 key objectives of this tutorial are: 1. To understand the importance of requirements. 2. To have an overview of the requirements engineering process. Very important to learn an approach for writing requirements in natural language. Provide ideas for writing better requirements. And finally, be able to organize and participate in requirements reviews.